Students, today we start exercise 13.3, which is related to cone. First of all, we discuss the figure of cone and the formulas of cone. This is the shape of the cone and its base is circular. This is radius and this is height. This one is the slant height, जो कि L से denote होती है. ठीक है. Now we write here L equals to slant height. Formula for the slant height is L square equal to R square plus H square. We got this by Pythagoras theorem on this right triangle. Therefore L is, when we remove its square, we get square root. L equals to root R square plus H square. And the curved surface area of cone is pi R L. Total surface area of cone is pi R into R plus L. Now we start exercise 13.3, question number 1. Diameter of the base of the cone is 10.5 centimeter. First of all, we find its radius. And its slant height means L is 10 centimeter. Find its curved surface area. Now we start its solution. Diameter is 10.5 centimeter given. We have to find its radius. Means divide it by 2. Remove its decimal. Divide it by 10. After calculation, we get 5.25 its radius. Slant height is 10 centimeter given. Curved surface area of cone pi R L. Substitute all the values. Pi 22 by 7, R 5.25 and the L is 10. या तो बेटा सीधी प्रोडक्ट कर सकते हैं और या इसका डेसिमल रिमूव करके इसकी हम कटिंग भी कर सकते हैं. अगर हम डेसिमल को रिमूव करते हैं, डिनोमिनेटर्स में 100 आएगा, 0 कैंसिल विद 0, कट 5, 10 विद 5 वी गेट 2. इसकी भी 5 से कटिंग करेंगे, वी गेट 105. 7 की कटिंग 105 से करेंगे, 7 1 जा एंड 7 5 जा 35. 2 की कटिंग 22 के साथ करेंगे, वी गेट 11. नाउ मल्टीप्लाई बोथ टर्म्स 11 and 15, वी गेट it's 165 centimeter square. This is our answer for the question number 1. Now we start question number 2. Find the total surface area of the cone. Total surface area of cone. If its slant height means L is 21 meter and the diameter of its base is 24 meters. Diameter से जब radius calculate करेंगे 24 by 2, it is 12 meter. Unit बेटा यहाँ पर check करना है, it's meter. Now we start solution of question number 2. Slant height is 21 meter. Diameter is 24 meter. Radius 12 meter. Total surface area of cone is pi R into R plus L. Put the value of pi, that is 22 by 7. And R is 12. L 21 plus R is 12. Now add these numbers, we get 33. Multiply all these terms and divide it by 7. We get 1244.57 meter square. This is the answer for the second question, that is total surface area of cone. Statement of question number 3 is curved surface area of the cone is 308 centimeter square given and its slant height is 14 centimeter. Find number 1 the radius of the base. हमने क्या करना है, सबसे पहले इसमें curved surface area का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे and put the value of L, then we have to find R. Second part is find the total surface area of the cone. Now we start its solution. Curved surface area of cone is 308 centimeter square. L is 14 centimeter. Our first part is we have to find the radius. Curved surface area of cone, put its formula pi R L equals to 308 centimeter square, which is given. Put the value of pi 22 by 7, R which we have to find L 14 equals to 308. Now क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई ऑल द टर्म्स. 7 न्यूमरेटर में चला जाएगा, डिनोमिनेटर्स में 22 एंड 14 आ जाएगा. अब 7 की कटिंग होगी, 7 1 जा 7 2 जा 14. देन 2 से हम कट करेंगे 308 को, 2 1 ज़ा 2, 2 5 ज़ा 10, 2 4 ज़ा 12, 2 से 22 की कटिंग 11, इसकी भी 2 से कटिंग 2 7 ज़ा 2 7 ज़ा 11 1 ज़ा 11 7 ज़ा, we get our 7 centimeter, which is the solution of the first part. R is 7 centimeter. Now second part is find the total surface area of cone. Its formula is pi r into L plus R. Pi 22/7, R which we calculate in first part 7, L given 14, R again 7. 7 cancel with 7, 22 multiply. 14 plus 7, that is 21. Multiply both terms, 22 and 21, we get 462 and the unit is centimeter square. This is the answer of second part. Statement of question number 4 is a conical tent. टेंट जिसकी शेप कोन जैसी है इज 10 मीटर हाई. हाइट उसकी 10 मीटर्स है. हाइट मीन्स h, नॉट स्लांट हाइट, and the radius of its base is 24 meters. R is 24 meter. Find number 1 slant height of the tent. We have to find L in first part. In second part, cost of the canvas required to make the tent. उस टेंट को बनाने के लिए कितना कैनवस चाहिए और उसकी कॉस्ट क्या आएगी, हमने वो फाइंड आउट करना है. इफ़ द कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 मीटर स्क्वायर कैनवस इज ₹70, क्या करेंगे, पहले कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया सॉल्व करेंगे. मल्टीप्लाई द आंसर ऑफ कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया विद 70, वी गेट द टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ द कैनवस. Now we start its solution. Question number 4. Height, this is h. Small h is 10 meter. R is 24 meter. We have to find the slant height in our first part. So apply the formula L square equal to R square plus h square. R is 24. 24 square is 576. H is 10. Square of 10 is 100. Add these, we get 676. Remove the square, we get square root. So we get L equals to 26 meter. This is the answer of our first part. In second part, we have to find the cost of the canvas. First of all, we have to find the curved surface area of the cone. Its formula is pi r L. Now put all the values. Pi 22/7, R which is given 24, L that is 26. Multiply all these terms and divide it by 7. We get the product is 13,728 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. अब बेटा इसको डिवाइड करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. क्यों? क्योंकि जो हमने कॉस्ट फाइंड आउट करनी है उसमें कॉस्ट पर मीटर स्क्वायर की ₹70 दी हुई है. कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 मीटर स्क्वायर कैनवस इज ₹70. अब हमने कॉस्ट निकालनी है 13728/7 मीटर स्क्वायर कैनवस इज 70 की और 13,728/7 की प्रोडक्ट करेंगे. अब 7 की कटिंग 70 के साथ हो जाएगी, वी गेट 10. इसीलिए हमने यहाँ पर डिवीजन नहीं की क्योंकि हमारा क्वेश्चन आगे जाके सिंपल फॉर्म में बन रहा है. मल्टीप्लाई बोथ टर्म्स, वी गेट ₹137,280. means we say it as 1,37,280. This is the cost of canvas which is required to make the tent.